These How to 1 Minute will show you how to add Facebook page like box to Blogger website. If you want to add your Facebook page likes count in your Blogger website, follow this easy and step-by-step guide. First of all, open your browser and type Facebook page plugin and open the first link. Once you are in this page plugin page, here you have to enter your Facebook page URL. To get your Facebook page URL, open Facebook page, open your Facebook page. Now copy your Facebook page URL or link. Now here you have to enter your Facebook page link, and now you can change the width from here. You can use small header from here. You can also hide cover photo from here. Then here you will get the preview. So I'm going to selecting here small header. I'm giving here width 200 pixel and height 100 pixel. And now clicking on get code, and here you will get these codes. Select iframe and copy this iframe codes. Now go to your Blogger dashboard and click on layout, and then here I want to add the Facebook page likes box to this sidebar bottom. So here's I'm clicking on add a gadget, selecting HTML JavaScript, title giving here Facebook likes, and here pasting codes. Save. Now I'm going to reloading my site, and as you can see, the Facebook page likes box has been successfully added to my Blogger site. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.